Hey YouTube, this is my updated bike check with the Eastern Growler. I got some new parts off Comp for it, so just wanted to make a new bike check. I got Shadow Conspiracy 13 grips. They're real nice grips. I've had them for a few days now. They're really nice, about a week. They're real nice. And I got, you can't see it, but it's a nitrous pivotal seat post, an Eastern letters seat. I got it in blue. I got Odyssey 8 brake pads. They're pretty nice. I had this off my old bike, but I just put it on my bike. A blue valve cap for the back. Yeah, it's everything's like really nice. Yeah, they're good parts, all of them. So, yep, that's my new bike check.